Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are in Siargao Island, Philippines. In this video we'll be exploring the hidden gems of SOHOTON Cove. So keep watching to join us on our adventure. We started off our day pretty late. We were supposed to leave around 6 a.m. but we ended up leaving around 9 a.m. So the only way for us to be able to go on this day tour was to drive to a different port in Dapa, which is a neighboring town about 30 minutes out from General Luna. In case you're wondering, we rented these scooters for 350 pesos per day. So that's equivalent to about $9 AUD and $6.50 USD. We've just arrived at the port, so from here we'll be jumping on a boat and heading off for a 2-hour boat ride to SOHOTON Cove. Shout out to my friend Joanne, the best tour guide. Make sure that you hit her up when you're in Siargao. I'll link her socials in the description box below. I forgot to mention this is a private tour, so we paid 3,500 PHP per person between a group of 4 of us. If you opt for a cheaper version, you can always go for a joiners tour. With a large group of people, you split the cost between. This tour includes boat rental for the day, tour guides, entrance fees, and lunch. What this tour doesn't include is snorkeling gear.
A few moments later.
After 2 long hours, we finally reached SOHOTON Cove. From here, we're going to be briefed, the do's and don'ts during the tour, also safety instructions, hazards, and all that. And then we are going to switch to a smaller boat to be able to fit inside the cave.
SOHOTON means we need to go inside. In our vernacular, SOHOTON means we need to go inside. Okay? And after that, inside SOHOTON Cove, remember, there's only one entrance and one exit. It has a total lagoon area of almost 70 hectares. So that's how you find it. And they have having numerous islets inside. And that islets, we need to explore the 2 major attractions inside. The diving cave and the Agokan cave. Story cave. Agokan means floor. It's our vernacular, Agok. Story cave. Because from high tide, story cave sounds like room. Because the waters, the air going inside, they will looks active. And the second one, all you get to do that side, the Agokan cave is you have to swim. And then we just emphasize that please obey and follow our community guide. Because they are the one who carry you inside the cave. And the second one is the diving cave. We call it diving or cliff diving because in the entrance we need to go inside the cave, and then you have rock climbing inside, and then our exit is jump off the water.
That's the exit.
Yes.
Is there any other exit?
No. And then, only all you get to do is to go back, but it's better to jump rather than to go back because it's
What's
it's
the
hard.
difference?
It's hard.
Yeah, so like a dive to get in there.
How many meters?
It's just only 12 feet plus your height.
Meters.
Meters, it's probably
I don't know, 12
feet
You
plus
need to hold your breath for like
There.
Mga 3 or 4 feet
7
yata yun,
seconds.
ma'am. But it's
Like where? Just like
this one. That's only this one. This one plus your height.
the white.
Yes.
Plus your height.
Plus your height.
So like we need to like
That's okay. You can do it.
we need to
It's
go
fun.
No, you can
But
leave that
anyway,
in the
you can
boat.
see it and outside. It's up to you whether you go inside
Or not.
to jump or not. It is your own choice, ha? No, sa tawag ng pusa na iba. No pressure. No pressure.
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Okay, and then the third one is the non-season jellyfish. But to tell you frankly, this month is already off season for jellyfish. Only the few one you can see it. Okay?
There's still.
Yes. Lastly, again, please obey and follow our community guide. Double check all your things, particularly the things that cannot be with because you go for water activities like camera, cell phones, and everything. Double check all your earrings, necklace, bracelets, and everything that could be possible lost during the tour. Okay, because it might be lost during the tour because we cannot, ang tawag doon, we cannot attend it when you are going to enjoy it. Okay? Again, any questions po?
I highly suggest bringing an ocean pack or waterproof backpack to keep your electronics safe because when you're not in this boat, you'll be in the water until you get back. Also, when it does rain, it's hard to keep your valuables dry. The lighting is such a good idea.
Baby, don't be scared. Things that you could all love Look at that. Down head. Put your head down. Oh yeah, video. Don't drown us in here, bro. Relax, dude. Bro, here. Okay, photo. Okay. Video. Video. Kuya, you can video. We are now entering SOHOTON Cove. Going to another. Nice. Beautiful. It's worth it. No. Be ready.
Wow, it's raining.
Pero kaya naman siguro.
Ika na naman ko yun. Yes. Sige, ito pa. Yes. Ito pa. Very good, Kuya. Okay, guys, it's raining. Oh, we need to cover the phone. Cover the phone. Okay na, Kuya. Thank you. Kuya, your head careful. Second.
8 seconds.
8 seconds of what?
Yeah.
Swimming? 8 seconds and then you come out where?
8 seconds, go inside.
And then you come out where?
Don't worry because I will guide you. I push you.
You push too.
Yeah, going in. It's so beautiful inside, guys.
Wait, so there's like 8 seconds.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello YouTube channel, welcome. So today guys, we're gonna be in the cave exploring. Because you know, we have to learn to do what join us on our next adventure.
The only way in and out of the cave was to dive about 2 meters underwater whilst the instructor is guiding you, so it's best to bring your snorkel. As you can see, the weather was super bad. We couldn't record anything heading back, but it took us about 4 hours. The boat was rocking, it was dark, we literally only had a handheld phone lighting to get us back. Anyways, here's me serving happy to be alive and cool. Overall, we really enjoyed our trip. Definitely a great experience. So if you're ever in Siargao, make sure you check this place out. And make sure you go early as well. That's it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what you think in the comment section. So yeah, bye!